Hello YouTube, hit play, stay slay, welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Prangan Majumdar. Hope you were doing great. Let's roll. As you can see, today I am not in front of any kind of tables or any kind of setups or something like that. But still, the title of this video says unboxing. I chose this place because, of course, the background looks perfect and this is gonna be one of the shortest unboxings on this channel because I have a very teeny tiny smart unboxing. You know what it is. Of course, you've seen the title, right? So I have the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. Take a look at this. So I was thinking of not making a video while unboxing this, but I have one more of these, and back then I did not start making videos yet, but after I realized that I need another one, so I thought, why not make a video of unboxing this as well? So here I am. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump straight into the unboxing and showing you what's inside. Gotta be very careful because this is very small. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oops. Never mind. There you go. This doesn't need anything else. This is just one portion. Okay, some user guide or something, which I don't need because I already know how to use it. And then the main thing, oops.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So this is the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. I'm not really sure whether you can use this tag with any other kinds of Android devices, but as far as I know, only Samsung is able to find and operate these. As you can see right there, it has the Samsung branding and the model number at the back, which is I cannot show. There is a small blue thingy right there, which is basically detaching the battery and the connector. So once I pull it out, it will just get connected. That's what it is supposed to be. Also, inside the box, we have the ejector tool. Basically, how you do it is, let me pull it out first. There is a small pinhole right there. If you pierce it using the ejector tool, the slot that is beneath the tag that will pop out, and you can change the battery if you want to. So they just provide you an ejector tool every time, which is very good. Now we will pull this off and see that noise? Yep, which means the battery is inside and it's connected. That's what it is. So this was pretty much it because it doesn't have anything else inside. So this is one of the shortest unboxings I have ever done on my channel. And also I'm gonna review this thing. I've already been using this for a while now. So that's gonna be the shortest review as well. I'm gonna show you how to connect this, and every single thing will come in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay well. Thanks for watching. Bye.